guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel from Amazing. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. Today I am again in my room, back in Pune. Oh no, not back in Pune. I came here to take my stuff and I'm gonna go to Nasik. I have planned for next 6 months. If that works out well, then I have like much bigger planning. Anyhow guys, you welcome back to the channel. Today I have had my I've had my first virtual press meeting. It was amazing. I'm gonna show you some glimpse right here. I was vlogging back then, even when I was I like kind of sort of shifted in Pune. But तब ऐसे हुआ था यार, तब I was not having enough confidence to put out my camera in front of 4 people, and then I was not sure if my roommates are okay with it coming into the camera, coming into the frame. I was not so sure of vlogging back then, vlogging black then. I don't know. But now that I'm quite sure and I'm very much confident about the confidentiality कि क्या चीज़ें मुझे दिखानी है, क्या चीज़ें मुझे नहीं दिखानी है, I'm very much happy, very much glad to vlog. And this seems like sort of end of something, that if you are moving from one house to another, like somewhere you have lived your struggle life for the most of the time, and then you are sort of leaving, it feels like it's an end of something. But if you look at in another perspective, it's the starting of something, and I would much likely to look this whole situation as a starting of something else. Of course, I did not have had like major plan, but considering everything, considering physical, economical and logical aspects into consideration, I am feeling like now I have a strategy and I can, or upon which I can work, and which can lead me where I see myself. So yay. Also, new update. After all the packing that I've been doing, which I did very successfully, not at all pro in the packing, but I somehow managed doing that, and I am here back, yay. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about when you decide to take your own decisions, and they are quite big. They're not actually big, but you think they're gonna affect whole your life. But there's always that one point comes when you can say no, I don't want to do that, and then you can do whatever else you want to do. But at this point that I am right now, I feel like if this decision goes wrong, my whole life is ruined and all. No, that's not what gonna happen. You always have second chance, and you always will figure out what to do, what not to do. Although when you decide to be your own boss, there are 4 very efficient things that you should be very careful about, and I have legit listed it down because I know at some point you gotta know this and realize this and start working accordingly. So first thing I feel is discipline. It's very important. It could be anything regarding right from the time you wake up to making your bed, doing your own dishes, everything. The discipline comes and plays very important role. The second is consistency, that you don't have to do it once a week, but you have to do it every week. Like it could be 5 minutes of meditation, half hour of workout. It could be anything, but consistently, like consistently for a week, consistently for a month, and then for whole of your life. Third thing is self motivation. So while we were having lunch, I was having lunch with Nida, we were discussing how do you stay self motivated, how do you stay consistent about it. Actually, she is the most consistent and hardworking person I have ever met, and I was asking her what keeps you consistent all the time, and she does not do it with the steps. It is just into her software, into her mind, to be consistent about anything and everything that she does. So I'm like, मुझे ये मत बताना कि I am just like that. Break it down step by step to me. She's like, nothing at all, like literally nothing. And I was so disappointed, but she did tell me this one thing, which is the third thing that I feel very important for being your own boss, is self motivation. Now, what you are doing is because of some reason, right? So know that what's your reason is, remind yourself of that, and you will be enough motivated for today to work. And if you feel little less motivated the other day, do the same and keep doing it. That's how you'll be self motivated and consistent about whatever thing you want to do. Fourth thing is, which is very important, which is literally very important, is decision making power. Now, this could be the decision of saying no to somebody or saying yes to something, or maybe taking a lot of responsibility that you think you are not capable of, but trust me, you are capable of it. And all you have to do is just take that one decision of saying yes to it or saying no to it in face. You can't be dicey about some decisions. You have to be either white or black. There are, in some moments, in some areas of life, it can't be gray. It either should be white or completely black. So the decision making power and the courage you need to take those decisions is very important. Now, how will you do it is, one thing, if everything we boil down, this one thing came up, that your why power. So I have talked about this earlier as well, but I'm going to talk about it one more time, is your why power. Like, why do you want to do this? Now, if you want to be disciplined, why do you want to be disciplined? If you want to be consistent about something, why do you want to? So the why power, the reason should be strong enough that if you remind yourself of the reason, if you remind yourself of the why, then you should be like, out of every confusion that you have, or self doubt you have, or whatever negative powers are around you, if the reason is strong enough, you will be out of it. Now, this is my today's wisdom. I'm thinking if I'm vlogging like more often, I'll make this today's wisdom column a little bit more wisdomful. For now I gotta go and have chat with my friends. If we could meet soon, and if I'm not crying anymore, I'll meet you very much soon. And until then, think about what just I said. You please let me. Are you suggesting मैंने पसारा करके रखा है? नहीं रे, तूने पसारा नहीं किया. मैं just उठा रही हूँ. I don't know what is that. It's just roommate thing. हाँ, okay, done.
Thank you. And I'm gonna keep this. Yes. Yeah.
Yay! I'm very happy for this kid. Yes.
Senior executive project finance.
देख ली मैंने तुम्हारी दोस्ती निदा, देख ली, खत्म.
बस रे. आला सर फोड़ती.
That is authentic निदा. बस रे सर फोड़ती, बस रे मुंह फोड़ती.
मुंह तोड़ू से. मुंह तोड़. ए तुम क्या कर रहे हो? रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो ये चीज?
एंड द अदर वॉइस, ये तो नहीं देखा था, आप जानते हो. जो दूसरा था छोटा सा क्यूट सा, वो जुई का था. शी इज येट नॉट रेडी टू कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ. नहीं, बड़ा नहीं, she is not even ready to get mentioned also. There are many of Jui. It's not only you, but if you follow me on social media, you will get who Jui that is. Anyway guys, this is it for today. Now though,
आवाज में चढ़े मारा.
struggle is quite real. Although that is it for today. I'm gonna go tomorrow back to Nashik. Yes, and I might share that journey with you. क्या ही मतलब, पुणे नासिक पुणे हाईवे थोड़ी ना बताऊंगी. Anyway guys, this is for today. If you like the video for whatsoever the reason, make sure you hit like button, share, subscribe to channel, all good things, and I shall see you in next vlog. Until then, be flawless. Bye.